Before you launch your EC2 instance, you'll need a security group already set up, or you can create a security group while you're launching the EC2 instance, but I want to show this before we launch the actual EC2 instance, so you know also how to set up your security group. For that, you go to the EC2 dashboard, and there is an option here where you can create your security group. So click on Create Security Group. Here we'll give it a name, Demo Public Security Group. I'll use this. I'll give the same in the description. And then I select the VPC where I want this security group. I'll choose the demo VPC, which is the VPC I'm using. Now, a very important concept about the security groups in AWS is this one. You have to keep in mind. It says security groups are stateful. If you send a request from your instance, the response traffic for the request is allowed to flow in regardless of inbound security group rules. Responses to allowed inbound traffic are allowed to flow out regardless of outbound rules. In other words, what it says there, I know it sounds a little bit complicated, but meaning that you have inbound rules and you have outbound rules. I'm going to set up a couple of rules here in the inbound rules, okay? So let's say I'm going to open the SSH port because I need to SSH into that machine. And so I open this port. So meaning that whenever I open this port in the inbound rules, because security groups are stateful, all right, I don't have to create the same rule here in the outbound rules because that'll be allowed. Same if I add a new rule here in the inbound rules, let's say HTTP, all right? If I open this up here in the inbound rules, I don't have to open up here. And I'm going to open a third port, which is the HTTPS. And that's port 443, so everywhere in the internet. And that is it. That's all you have to do. Just create the security group. Remember, this security group is for those EC2 instances that will serve as a web server. So in the next video, we are going to definitely launch our first EC2 instance.